Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can fix this private DNS server cannot be accessed. If you want to fix this private DNS server cannot be accessed, it is very simple. Within less than a minute, you can fix it. So click on your Android phone settings and reach to something called network and internet. For few mobiles under the network and internet, there may be connections. The options will be something like connections, whatever it may be. Click on that network, internet or connections and see here. For my mobile, it is directly the option is private DNS. If it is not there, you can directly search as DNS at the settings level only. Anywhere you will find this. Okay, once you reach this, you need to click on the turn off, click on the save. Okay, now just press and hold on your computer, means your power button, and restart your mobile once. Okay, as soon as I turned off, I already has the internet access here. My internet is resolved. If turning the DNS server didn't work for you, you better keep it to automatic and then restart your mobile similar. So by doing either step, your problem will be resolved. Please do comment if you still face the error. If it is fixed, please do comment and hit a like for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.